Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Imagine earning money while you sleep. Sounds incredible, right? Welcome to the world of dividend stocks. Today, we highlight 6 exceptional dividend stocks. They keep growing and paying. BMO, BIPC, PSA, BEPC, JJ, and T. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. Let's dive in. First up, BMO, or Bank of Montreal. BMO began as a modest bank, evolving steadily over time. As BMO grew, it embraced innovation, expanding its services to meet the needs of its diverse clientele. This adaptability became a hallmark of its identity, ensuring that it not only survived but thrived in the ever-changing financial landscape. BMO's strong track record of dividends attracts investors consistently. BMO's reliability in providing consistent dividends not only fortifies its reputation but also cultivates lasting trust among its stakeholders, ensuring that investors feel secure as they build their financial future with this steadfast institution. BMO's strategic initiatives position it well within the competitive financial landscape. BMO's expansion reflects robust market demand. BMO's ability to adapt to market changes and effectively leverage growth opportunities cements its reputation as a formidable player in the financial sector. As it continues to innovate and expand, the future looks bright for BMO and its stakeholders. BMO offers attractive dividend yields of 4.17%. BMO's consistent performance in providing a solid dividend yield of 4.17% demonstrates a reliable investment opportunity, making it appealing for those seeking both growth and income in their portfolios. Next, we have BIPC, Brookfield Infrastructure Partners. BIPC is committed to providing vital support to communities. Through their dedicated efforts, BIPC strives to ensure that every individual has access to the resources they need, fostering resilience and empowerment within society. By prioritizing these essential services, BIPC remains a beacon of hope for those seeking assistance and guidance. BIPC stands out for its consistent dividend reliability. Investors can count on BIPC to deliver stable returns over time, enhancing the value of their portfolios. This commitment to providing reliable dividends reinforces BIPC's reputation as a trusted investment choice in a fluctuating market. Stability and growth are at the heart of its corporate mission. The infrastructure demand continues to rise, boosting their earnings. The BIPC dividend yield stands strong. With a notable yield of 4.14%, it offers an attractive opportunity for investors seeking steady income. This stability is crucial in today's market, making BIPC a compelling choice for those looking to enhance their portfolios. Moving on to PSA, Public Storage. The PSA company remains resilient and adaptable. The PSA company excels. The PSA company's unwavering commitment to innovation and flexibility ensures its continued success, allowing it to not only survive but flourish in diverse market conditions, setting a standard for excellence in the industry. PSA consistently demonstrates a commitment to returning value to its shareholders. In turn, this reliability fosters investor confidence, encouraging long-term relationships and supporting the overall growth of the company. As PSA continues to prioritize its dividend policy, it solidifies its position as a trusted investment choice for those seeking consistent returns. More renters mean more income, increasing shareholder value. The PSA dividend yield stands at 3.43%. This attractive yield indicates that investors could earn a steady income from their investments in PSA, providing both potential growth and a reliable return for those looking for income-generating assets. Overall, this makes PSA an appealing choice for dividend-seeking investors. Now, let's talk about BEPC, Brookfield Renewable Partners. Renewable energy is the future. BEPC's commitment to sustainability enhances shareholder value. BEPC not only stands at the forefront of sustainability efforts but also consistently delivers dividends, ensuring that its shareholders benefit while being part of an environmentally responsible future. As the world shifts, their revenue grows along with our planet's health. The BEPC dividend yield stands at 4%. This yield indicates that investors can expect a steady income stream from their investments in BEPC, reflecting the company's consistent financial health and commitment to returning value to its shareholders. Get ready to explore the evolution of John Deere, ticker symbol DE, and its remarkable journey. DE. From its humble beginnings in the early 19th century, John Deere transformed agriculture by introducing innovative plows that revolutionized farming methods, enabling farmers to cultivate previously challenging soil with ease. This ingenuity set the stage for a legacy that endures even today, shaping the future of agriculture. They're not just farming equipment anymore. They focus on innovation and efficiency. As their business flourishes, DE's dividends grow steadily. In tandem with their strategic initiatives and market expansion, shareholders can expect to see continued enhancements in dividend payouts, reflecting the company's robust performance. This commitment underscores DE's dedication to returning value to its investors as they navigate future opportunities. The yield remains modest at 1.28%. While this may not entice high-risk investors, it provides a stable return for those seeking reliability. For many, a conservative approach with a focus on steady yields can be a prudent strategy in the current market environment. Finally, we reach AT&T. AT&T shapes communication for millions around the globe. AT&T connects people. As AT&T continues to innovate, it remains committed to enhancing connectivity, making a significant impact on how we interact and share information in an ever-evolving digital landscape. Their mission goes beyond just telecommunications. It's about building a connected future for all. AT&T has faced numerous challenges and triumphs. They have evolved. In the ever-changing world of telecommunications, AT&T has found ways to adapt, innovate, and grow. From pioneering advancements to learning from setbacks, their journey showcases resilience and a commitment to providing connectivity to millions. Ultimately, AT&T stands as a testament to perseverance and progress. AT&T will continue to prioritize shareholder returns. AT&T values its investors. AT&T's unwavering dedication to maintaining and enhancing dividends reflects its strong commitment to maximizing shareholder value and ensuring long-term financial stability for its investors. The dividend yield stands at 4%. This consistent yield offers investors a reliable source of income, making it an appealing option for those seeking stability in their portfolios. By understanding how this dividend yield impacts investment strategies, one can make more informed financial decisions for future growth. Now, here's a bonus tip. Consider investing in these stocks long-term. Compounding dividends create a powerful wealth-building strategy. They work over time. In summary, the regular reinvestment of dividends leads to exponential growth, allowing your investments to thrive and ultimately secure a more prosperous future. By embracing the principles of compounding dividends, you set yourself on a path to financial success and independence. To recap, we discussed 6 powerful dividend stocks. Each offers unique strengths for growing wealth. Diversifying among them can build your financial future. Remember that the journey of financial literacy never truly ends. There's always something new to discover. Seize opportunities and take proactive steps towards your financial future. Seek advice when necessary, as it can help. Embrace the process wholeheartedly, as every lesson learned adds to your financial wisdom. By committing to continuous growth and actively engaging with experts, you can make informed decisions that pave the way for lasting wealth. Never underestimate the value of guidance on this rewarding journey. Interested in learning more about investing? Hit subscribe, like, and share. Your support helps create valuable content. Thanks for watching, and happy investing. See you in the next video.